Hello, welcome to my channel CNCR Science and Math Concept. Here we are doing a question from the topic of class 10 light. The question says an object of 4 centimeter in size placed at a distance 25 centimeter from a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position, nature and height of the image. Now here we are given height of object h1 is equals to 4 centimeter and distance means object distance, that is minus 25 centimeter. Since the mirror is a concave mirror, so its focal length is negative, that is minus 15 centimeter. Now we have to find out position, means we have to find out V. Height of image means h2 and nature we have to find out. So now the mirror formula is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equals to 1 upon F. We have to find V, therefore 1 upon V is equals to 1 upon F minus 1 upon U, that is equals to 1 upon minus 1 upon 15 minus 1 upon minus 25, that is equals to minus 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 25. Minus minus will become plus. Now here we are taking the LCM. I simply multiply 15 and 25. So this becomes minus 25 plus 10. Therefore, 1 upon V is equals to minus 10 upon 15 into 25. Now here we cancel. 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. So this is equals to minus 2 upon 15 5s are 75. Therefore, V is equals to minus 75 by 2, that is equals to minus 37.5 centimeter. So the position of image comes out to be minus 37.5 centimeter. Minus 37.5 centimeter. So this is our first answer. Now we have to find out height. Since image is negative, image distance is negative, so it means it is on the same side as that of the object. Therefore, real image is formed. Real image is formed. Now next we have to find out height of image. So magnification is given by V upon U, that is equals to H2 upon H1. Now V upon U, we are knowing the values of V and U. Now since the image is a real image, so we can say that here it is magnification is negative, therefore minus V upon U. Therefore H2 is equals to minus V upon U into H1, that is equals to minus V is equals to minus 37.5 divided by U was equals to minus 25 and H1 was equals to 4 centimeter. So here again minus gets cancel. So finally H2 is equals to minus 37.5, I am writing as 75 by 2 into 1 by 25 into 4. So here we cancel out 25 ones are 3s are 2 ones are 2s are. So H2 is, this is equals to minus 6. Therefore height of image is equals to minus 6 centimeter. So position is equals to minus 37.5 centimeter. Height of image is minus 6 centimeter. Since height is coming out negative, it is real and inverted image. That is all for this question. Keep watching my other videos for more challenging